Hey guys, welcome to English class today. The topic we'll be treating today is question tag. I am Mrs. Adeola. What is a question tag? A question tag is a statement that is followed by a question. A question tag is a small question we add at the end of a sentence. In order for us to understand better what I am trying to explain about question tag, let's look at this example. You will help me clean. Won't you? You will help me clean. Won't you? Now, if you look at this statement very well, you will help me clean is a statement, while won't you is the question tag. Now, take note of this rule. If a tag question has a positive statement, the question tag at the end is negative. I repeat, if a tag question is a positive statement, then the question tag at the end must be negative. So we use the word not in writing the negative statement or when a contraction is used. So let's look at this example. Adeola will read this book tomorrow. Won't she? Adeola will read this book tomorrow is a positive statement, while the question tag, won't she, is negative tag. Another example that we want to look at is you can swim. You can swim. That is a positive statement. Then what will be the question tag? Can't you? You can swim. Can't you? Don't forget, if the statement is positive, then the question tag must be negative. Another rule we need to take a very good look at is if a tag question has a negative statement, the question tag at the end is positive. I repeat, if a tag question has a negative statement, then the question tag at the end is a positive. Take for example, you are not going to play. From that statement, you will see that there is not, which is negative. You are not going to play. Then what would be the question tag? Are you? Can you see that? That is positive. You are not going to play. Are you? Another example. Your mother loves you. Your mother loves you. Is this a positive statement or a negative statement? It is a positive statement. So what will be the question tag? That should be negative. Your mother loves you. Doesn't she? Your mother loves you. Doesn't she? Another example. Donald is not doing his work. Is he? Donald is not doing his work. That is negative. Then the question tag should be positive. Positive. When the statement is negative, the question tag is positive. Donald is not doing his work. Is he? So it's practice time, everyone. Fill in the question tag. Complete each sentence with the correct question tag. So I'll do number 1 to 3, then you do 4 to 5. Number 1, you are happy. What kind of statement is this? This is a positive statement. Then the question tag that goes along with it is a negative question tag. You are happy. Aren't you? You are happy. Aren't you? Number 2, she can read. Can't she? Number 4, they are not playing. This is a negative statement. So the right question tag that goes along with this statement is positive. They are not playing. Are they? So I want you to do number 4 and 5. Drop your answer in the comment section. So well done, guys. Thanks for paying attention. That will be all for today. I hope you had fun while learning because I did likewise. See you next time. Bye.